Ralph Fixer here, back again with another video. So a few years ago I had an issue with my trunk. It wouldn't close, it wouldn't stay closed, it would close halfway. It was doing all kind of funky stuff. So stay tuned to find out what I did to alleviate this problem. So we got these door panel clips. There's 3 of them. You got one over here on this left side, and you got 2 on the right side. Just give it a good tug. You really don't need any tools. You might need a flat tip screwdriver or something like that, but just give it a tug and it pops. So screws are normally in these holes. Mine are already out. You take those out, and then you got these little covers that are to the left and to the right here. You take those off. It looks like this. These guys right here. Just pop those out. No tools required. So now you have this inner trunk release latch. It has these clips. It's got one that you can see right now that I got my flat tip screwdriver on, and it's got 2 on the sides, and it's got 1 in the back. You just need to get this one that we're looking at right here, and get maybe one of the ones that on the side over here and the other one, and it'll come out. You can get the rest of it out. So I got it out. This is how it looks. Pretty straightforward stuff. This is how it looks. It goes in and basically holds that up to the frame of the car. It's pretty straightforward stuff. So now everything is down, and now you can see the trunk latch actuator, and it's like I said before, it's pretty straightforward. I'm just giving you a view. It's going to be real easy to get out. So this guy has 3 10mm bolts. You got one here by the solenoid right here. You got one here, and you got another one right here. I'm gonna wear this word out, it seems, but straightforward stuff. Pretty straightforward. So here it is. So years ago, when I was having an issue with my trunk, it was like opening and halfway closing and all this good stuff. So what happened was the plastic right here that I'm pointing to, the plastic circular part right here, was brittle. So it wasn't holding the mechanism in when it was locked, like clanking and all this stuff like that. So I eventually put a key ring on, and it fixed my problem. I just open my trunk with the key. I don't mess around with the key, with the remote anymore. I just to be safe. But it works. It's been working for years, man. Just to reiterate, you heard me right. I put a key ring on to alleviate my problem, and it worked wonders. Don't forget to put this light switch back. I didn't mention it in the beginning of the video, but definitely gotta take it loose in order to bring down the panel. Forgot about that. This is just FYI information. Your key fob has a key within it, and you take that key and use it to open your trunk. There's a slot in the back near your tag, your license plate. Stick it in like this and open up that trunk, pop trunk.